Hello dear students, in this class we are going to discuss a case study based related to probability. Okay. Uh, so an insurance company believes that people can divide it into two classes: those who are accident prone and those who are not an accident prone. Okay. So here he divided two people, accident prone and not accident prone. Company statistics shows that accident prone person will have an accident at some time within fixed 1 year with a probability 0.6. See here, within 1 year policy holder having accident means new policy holder, that is okay. The people who have prone will have an accident at some fixed time within 1 year is a probability 0.6. So first we will write the given data. So given data, accident prone, let us say E1 is the event of people who are have an accident prone. Okay, accident prone. So E2 is the event of not accident prone. Okay, not an accident prone. Okay, now next, A is the event, conditional probability. What is the A here? A is, so they will have an accident, right? Person's event of having an accident will have an accident within 1 year, within 1 year of policy. Okay, that means this is new policy holder. Okay, so first we will write the given data. Okay, so we will draw the Venn diagram, we will draw the tree diagram. So probability of E1, probability of E2. So here probability 20% of population is accident prone. So he is saying here 20% of population is accident prone. So 20 by 100 accident prone, which is 2 by 10. Next, not an accident prone is 80%, right? 100% minus 20 by 100. 80 by 100 you will get. Okay, so 80 by 100, which is 8 by 10. So here conditional probability. What is conditional probability here? So probability of accident will happen when the person is from accident prone is E1. What is this probability is given here? 0.6. See here, 0.6. An accident prone person will have accident at some time within 1 year, probability is 0.6. so this is 0.6. okay, this is 0.6. and probability of accident will happen when the person is not from accident prone category. So here what is the 0.2? 0.2 is a probability when a person is not an accident prone. So 0.2. So what is asking here? 0.6 is what actually? 0.6 is 6 by 10. If I cancel decimal, I'll get 2 by 10. So we got the tree diagram. So what is asking? What is the probability that the new policy holder will have an accident within a year of purchasing policy? So he is asking P of A. Probability of A is asking. Okay, what is asking here? Probability of A. So according to the total probability theorem, P of A is what? P of E1 into P of A by E1 plus P of E2 into P of A by E2. So therefore directly multiply 2 by 10 into 6 by 10. 6 by 10. 2 by 10 into 6 by 10 plus 8 by 10 into 2 by 10. So from here 2 by 6 are 12 by 10 into 10 100 plus 2 8 are 16 by 10 into 10, 100. So 12 plus 16 is 28 by 100, which is 0.28, or else you can write it in the fraction 7s are 25s. So 7 by 25, 4 sevens, 4 25s. So this is the answer for the first question. Next, the second question. So in the second question, what is asking here? Suppose a new policyholder has an accident within a year of purchasing the policy. What is the probability that he or she accident prone? So accident prone, what we said? E1, right? Accident prone is a E1. Probability of E1 when A is given. When A is given. Okay. So A is what actually accident will happen. So he is saying here, suppose the accident will happen. What is the probability that it will be to the accident prone person? So E1 is the accident prone person. Probability is we have to find according to the Bayes theorem. P of E1 into P of A by E1 is a favorable probability divided by total probability. P of E1 into P of A by E1 plus P of E2 into P of A by E2. So P of E1 into P of A by E1 is what? So P of E1 is 2 by 10. P of A by E1 is 6 by 10. 2 by 10 into 6 by 10 divided by total probability we already calculated. What is that total probability? 28 by 100. 28 by 100. So here 2 6 are 12 by 100 whole divided by 28 by 100. 100 cancel. 12 by 28. So 4 3s are 12, 4 7s are 28. 3 by 7 is the probability, right? 3 by 7 is the probability. That's all. This is the solution for given question. So here we have second case study. In an office, 3 employees, James, Sophia, Oliver, process incoming copies of a certain form. James processed 50% of form. Sophia processed 20%. Oliver remained 30% of the forms. James has an error rate of 0.06. Sophia has 0.04 and Oliver 0.03 error rate. Find the probability that Sophia processed the form and committed an error. Okay, let's see here. E1, E2, E3 are the events of selecting James, Sophia, Oliver, processing. Okay, so let us say E1 is the event of selecting James. E2 is the event of selecting Sophia. E3 is the event of selecting Oliver. Okay, so here A is the event of making an error. Okay, making an error. A is the event of making an error, committed an error. Okay, event of an error, event of making an error. Okay, making an error. Okay, then we will write the given data. Okay, probability of processing the James probability is 50%. Okay, this is 50%, 50 by 100. Okay, next Sophia 20%, 20 by 100. And next Oliver 30%, 30 by 100. Okay, this is the processing probabilities. P of E1, P of E2, P of E3. Then A is the event of committing an error. Okay, committing an error. Then conditional probability. So conditional probability A committing an error from event E1 is, so James make an error is 0.06. 0.06. Okay, James error. And then Sophia error is 0.04. Sophia error is E2 0.04. And next Oliver error is 0.03. Oliver error is 0.03. So here we have a conditional probabilities. We have a conditional probabilities of the persons. Now if I delete, if I just cancel this decimal, 6 by 100 I'll get, this is 4 by 100, I'll get here 3 by 100. So what is asking in the first question, find the probability that Sophia processed the form and committed an error. So is here asking here, what is the Sophia making a mistake, error. Okay, Sophia making an error. So multiplication theorem, according to the multiplication theorem, P of E1 into P of A by E1. So P of E1 is what? 50 by 100. Is this E1 is James or Sophia? James. E1 is James. E2 is Sophia. So E2, and this is E2. E of E2. E2, this is P of E2, P of A by E2. So Sophia processing is 20 by 100 and making an error 4 by 100. So therefore 4 2s are 8, 80 by 100 into 100. Okay, 100 into 100, which is 0 0 cancel. So you can cancel here by the 2 table, 2 4s, 2 5s, right? And then 2 2s, 2 5s, 2 25s. Okay, 2 25s. So here we can write 80 by, or else 80 by 1000, we can write 0.008 is the answer. Or else you can cancel decimal part and tell me 25 5s are 125, 1 by 125. Second question we have here, find the probability, total probability of committing an error in the process. So is asking here P of A. What is P of A according to the total probability theorem? P of A1 into P of A by E1 plus P of E2 into P of A by E2 plus P of E3 into P of A by E3. So we will write here 50 by 100 into 6 by 100. 50 by 100 into 6 by 100 plus, this is 20 by 100 into 4 by 100. 20 by 100 into 4 by 100 plus 30 by 100 into 3 by 100. Okay, 30 by 100 into 3 by 100. So from here 5 6 are 30 into 0. So this is 1 2 3 4 plus 2 4s are 8, 80 by 2 3 4 plus 3 3s are 9, 90 by 10,000. Okay, so here 10,000 LCM. So 300 plus 80 plus 90. So 470 divided by 10,000. 2 3 4. So 0 0 cancel. So you can write after 3 digit decimal 047. So this is the probability of second question. Okay, we have here the manager of the company wants to do a quality check. During the inspection, he selected a form at random from the day output of processed form. If the form selected random as error, find the probability that the form is not processed by James. Is asking not processed by James. Okay, so what we will do here, first we will do processed by James. Okay, then 1 minus not processed by James is equals to 1 minus processed by James will gives you answer, right? So first we will, what we'll do, reverse order. So we will go with processed by James. Okay, processed by James. So James, E1 is the event of selecting James, right? Process of being done by James got an error, which is according to the Bayes theorem P of E1 into P of A by E1 divided by P of E1 into P of A by E1 plus P of E2 into P of A by E2 plus P of E3 into P of A by E3. So is equals to, this is 50 by 100 into 6 by 100 whole divided by 50 by 100 into 6 by 100 plus 20 by 100 into 4 by 100 plus 30 by 100 into 3 by 100. So total probability theorem we already did. What we got the answer? Total probability theorem 470 divided by 10,000, right? So we will write denominator 470 by 10,000. So this is 5 6 30. 300 divided by 10,000 numerator whole divided by 470 divided by, we got 470, right? Total probability 470 divided by 10,000. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So 10,000 get cancel, 0 cancel, therefore we got 30 by 47. Okay, 30 by 47. So that's all. This is the solution for third question. So in the question he asked, find the probability that the form is not processed by James. So we did processed by James actually. Okay, so what we have to do, not processed by James means probability of not processed by James mistakes is nothing but 1 minus processed by James 30 by 47. So 47 minus 30 divided by 47. So 47 minus 30 divided by 47, result is 17 divided by 47. Okay, this is the result.